Hi, welcome to my Random Ruminations. Okay, quick Windows 10 update. If you're running a H55M motherboard by MSI, you might want to go into your BIOS and check your fan settings, because I noticed my computer was running really slowly. I couldn't figure out why. And then I went into the BIOS and I discovered that the CPU fan was switched off. So the whole thing was overheating to a ridiculous degree. I was lucky I caught it. So it's just a matter of going into your BIOS. On that particular motherboard, it's delete to go into the BIOS, F11 to go, I think it's F11 to go into your boot menu, but delete will get you into your BIOS, and then just go into your BIOS settings, find your fan settings and switch them on to something intelligent. I have mine currently on basically telling it to keep the core temperature at 40 degrees. It's not going to manage that, not in this weather, but it's trying. It really is trying. Other Windows 10 updates. Yeah, it has switched off one of my USB hubs. The fuck? Which is quite irritating, but it's not a deal breaker, because in the next couple of months I'm going to be getting a USB 3 hub, like a PCI slot one, and that's going to be then installed into, that's going to be connected to a hard drive hot swap bay, which has two USB 3 slots in it. So that's perfectly fine, I'm not worried about that. What else is there? ArtRage doesn't like Windows 10, or at least it doesn't on my system. I'm having serious problems getting it to run stably. At the moment I'm running it in compatibility mode for XP, Service Pack 2, and that's running it stable, but that's not saying a lot. Apart from that, I have to say Windows 10 seems to be a fairly decent success. Now, there is something weird going on where my render times on this PC, my gaming rig, have increased by 20 times for videos. 20 times. But here's the thing. I don't render on this machine. I render on that machine. So it's not, and that machine is never being updated from Windows 7. Just never. It will be Windows 7 till it sits down the road, cries and rolls over and dies. So I'm not worried about it, but it's something probably people should have a look at and think about, because I am definitely having render issues with this machine. And I think part of that is the fact that it doesn't play. I think it's preventing the CUDA settings, which are the settings that allow the graphics processor to basically supplant the CPU in rendering. I think that's what's actually wrong with it. But yeah. Look, I've never seen an OS actually launch without a massive slew of bugs, purely because of the sheer insane breadth of modern technology. I mean, there are computers that are running all sorts of weird setups, so I'm genuinely not surprised. I'm not. Anyway, yeah, that's that. If you missed it yesterday, episode 2 Star Trek Online went up online. Tomorrow, the next episode of Gunpoint, which I'm recording in about 10 minutes time, that's going online. And yeah, I'll talk to you again on Thursday. If I'm feeling a bit better today, and if this holds, I may actually do a crafting video for Thursday. Maybe. It really depends on whether this holds or not. We'll see. I will be surprised if this holds. Anywho, yes, I have work to do, so I will talk to you all again on Thursday. Have a great day. Please like, share, subscribe, and bye for now.